This is a piano tutorial on the Beatles tune 8 Days a Week. And I'm going to show it to you here as a piano soloist first. So you'll be playing the melody in your right hand. I'll give you the fingering here. This is in the key of B flat. So there's a couple of flats you got to watch out for. B flat and E flat. You're going to start with your fourth finger on this D note. Fifth finger there, and that repeats. And then your fourth finger on D there, third finger on C, and then fourth finger on D again, fifth finger on E flat. And that repeats itself, and the second part of the song starts on a third finger on your C here. And then stay on that C with your third finger. Then it goes back to the beginning, and couple repeats there, and then at the very end it just repeats this phrase, 8 days of the week. Start with your fifth finger on that E flat. And that's so that's the melody there. And not too many chords, really. You've got a B flat chord, so you start on that. So it's F, B flat, and D like that. There's C7 there, E, G, B flat, and C. And then an E flat chord, E flat, G, and B flat, like that. Back to the B flat chord, F, B flat, and D again. And then that does it again. C7, E, G flat, B flat, C, E flat again, E flat, G, B flat. There's your B flat chord again. And you got a G minor, G, B flat, and D. And then an E flat chord again, E flat, G, B flat, G minor again, C7, E, G, B flat, C, and then a B flat chord again, C7 again, E flat, B flat again. That repeats. And then the second ending here, you've got a F chord for your first chord on that second ending. F, A, C like that. G minor, G, B flat, D. C7, E, G flat, B flat, C. E flat again. F7, that's a F, A, C, and an E flat on the top. And then it goes back to the top, and you do the verse again. And when you take the coda, it's like this, E flat, minor seventh. It's you could actually do it like that, G, B flat, and E flat on the top, and then you've got a B flat chord there, B or F, B flat, and D. It's kind of a funky thing with that C note on the melody there. So that's what the chords are. Always work on these songs hands alone before you put it together. Work on the melody, make sure you got that down, work on the chords alone, and then when you put it all together, it sounds like this.